Even after its 2021 release, the Nike GT Cut 1 is still a popular basketball sneaker among many hoopers. The Swoosh's Hoops division has relaunched some of the more iconic styles that were part of the Greater Than portfolio when it first launched during the last year. The first GT Cut just surfaced in a fresh white and chrome combination, showing off a different look from the Think Pink pair last seen in April. The features that made the low-profile design one of the most fascinating when it first appeared 4 years ago are all back. The airy top and dual cushioning system appear clean, while metallic, shimmering supporting details break up the monochromatic finish. A pop of color is introduced to the otherwise plain basketball shoe with the choice of summer-friendly blue for the padded forefoot, tongue, and inside lining. Enjoy the most recent GT Cut official look. By October, pairs will be available for purchase on Nike.com and other websites.